Who is an angel. I want her to come up here. She came looking for me several weeks ago, and she said it's our pastor's birthday. We know he would love you to be here. It's a surprise. Sons and daughters want to say happy birthday. So she's a great coordinator. God bless you. And so these are your sons and daughters. They are all here. So I don't know. Happy birthday. It's quick. Where is the knife? You cut the cake and then you continue prophesying. Anybody with sanitizer? Hey, you are with a microphone. So we count from 9. Fruit of the Spirit to 1, and then he cuts the cake. Okay. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 1. Happy birthday. Your sons and daughters. Number 2, Merry Christmas, all of you. Believe in God. Now, I know you may have already taken up your offerings of stuff. You too may also be surprised. And you may have a gift from Pastor Isaac. So what we're going to do is that we can spare these 1, 2, 3 seats. And as they are cutting the cake, maybe we use those seats as offering. Turn them around. Just turn them around. Turn them around, yeah. and the other one as well. And you can just bring your birthday gift and you put it over here. And I know it's surprised you are not prepared, but hey.
I am so happy to see you, sir. I'm grateful for you to honor this day. There's no way I can start blessing you, but I pray. God full of mercy and loving kindness. May He protect you, me and you.
Pastor Jessica,
Him and Pastor Jessica,
my family, you are a miracle center.
and the whole Miracle Center family.
The
prophetic word I just released in a few minutes. May God in all the surprises I've received in life, I never thought about it. Someone can be surprised like I was. Surprise somebody here today. My God. I'm so glad to see you. I honor God that uses you, Papa. God bless you. Right now, Pastor Charles tell us what is next. Allow me to accompany my pastor.
Hallelujah.
Oh, hallelujah.